Yo, what's going on? It's Dinero here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Long overdue. I've always wanted to do YouTube ever since I was a kid, but now finally have the chance to do it. Here with me is my 2022 Supra. I'm a 25-year-old. I live here in Dubai. I was born and raised there. And yeah, this is basically my first car. So yeah, it's not too bad for a first car. The point of this video is to literally bring you guys along to some car content. Mainly about the Supra, around the Supra, because that's one of my dream cars in my current car right now, and I am so grateful to be having this car. Dubai has a very big car scene that I can bring you guys along to, so that's gonna be fun. Especially the fact that obviously I've got my Night Tech hoodie right now. Yeah, because it's winter, and yeah, there's a lot of car scenes, and usually in Dubai, when it's winter, it's boost season. So that's when people grab their cars, their supercars out, and just, yeah, have some rides, have some fun. Yeah, so it's cool. But yeah, anyway, I don't want to speak too much now because of the fact that I want to make a separate video on my car and what I have on it. But I will give you guys a little tour. It's also 12 a.m. here in Dubai, so it is pretty late and I do have work tomorrow, so not really the best idea. But I'm going to go for a drive, do a little Q&A for myself as well that I've curated. Basically anything that pops up in my head, in my thick head of mine. I'll just answer it and I'll just bring you guys info. So yeah, it's basically an introduction of myself and obviously my car, because this YouTube channel is definitely going to be it's going to be based around my car, which is right there. Like, kind of have a plan for this channel, but I'm just going to go at it like head first, like without thinking much, because I just want to do things that I like, and obviously content creation is definitely something that I really like, so yeah. But anyway, that's enough. If you guys want to see so this is where I had you guys on, which was actually really sketchy, but yeah, figured that part out now. Anyway, here's the car, nothing too crazy done to it. But yeah, you got a little kit that I've had. So yeah, that car is pretty cool, man, honestly. But it looks really nice at night, you know what I'm saying? It really comes out, really shows its personalities, a lot of its subtle designs. You can really see it through the matte paint. So yeah, that's pretty cool. But anyway, I'm gonna bring you guys along. We're gonna go for a little drive here around Dubai. I'm currently at Expo City, and we're gonna make our way down to Jumeirah, which is a very famous place in Dubai where a lot of cars just literally cruise around. It's right next to the beach, so it's pretty vibes, and the weather's very nice. So yeah, I'll spend like an hour or two there, grab a bit of coffee, bring you guys along. Just a little like day in my night, I guess. So yeah, let's go. Well, obviously, since we're doing this YouTube thing now, I'm gonna be doing more of these now. So yeah, there's no way I'm gonna be doing. There's just no way I'm gonna be doing like a lot of those stuff now. A lot of the cinematic B-roll shots, because it's so tiring. Why am I complaining already? I'm just trying to have fun. But anyway, let's go for the drive. So this is what you walk into. Jeez! Aura! Yeah, before we do that, I'm gonna go fill up gas. You guys will like this place. This is probably one of the best gas stations in the UAE, if not in the world. Like, I'm not even tripping. It's really nice. Look at these guys, man. Already getting recognized. Look at him, getting all confused. That was good, bro.
What's up?
Salam alaikum. Basically, this is probably like the coolest gas station here in the UAE. I think by far. I'm always here every night, but all of a sudden I just saw the boys here, so yeah. I just filled up gas now. Gas here is actually pretty cheap. How much should I pay? Like 88 dirhams? Someone do the conversions. Divide that by 3.67 and you get your USD. But yeah. So yeah, I'm just gonna move my car now because someone's filling up, I think. But yeah. Yo, what's good?
Is that Dinero, man? Yo. Is that Dinero? You on?
Hello. Hi, Medusa.
Man, you say what's up, fine shit.
Where's your car, bro?
It's a red Supra.
It's a red Supra.
One of the best colors over here.
Whole lot of slow cars in here, you know?
Oh, we got the fastest one over here.
Yeah, there you go. Downpipe too. Look at these cinematics, bro. Stop the cap. Stop playing.
Renaissance Red 2.0. This is like a Renaissance Red. It's come from the Mark IV Supra. Wait, Mark 2 or Mark 3? One of the Marks, it came from them, and they made a 2.0 version of this. So I bought the car because of this color as well. It's pretty sick.
Jeez. But we're literally about to start Jumeirah. I'll show a few clips of how Jumeirah actually looks like. Which is gonna be interesting for a lot of your viewers, a lot of the viewers who are not based in Dubai or in the UAE. But if you guys are already based in the UAE or Dubai, you guys know what Jumeirah is. So yeah, I'm just trying to make it as diverse as I possibly can. That's the whole point of it. I'll do a few cinematics of me like driving, looking cool and stuff, but at the same time I'll answer a few questions about my car, what I do, why I chose the Supra. And yeah, and the more I do these, I'll just add like certain segments to my video where you guys can actually ask me questions prior and I can include it in the next video. Cute stuff. So why the Supra? One of the questions I get asked, especially when I go car meets or just on my Instagram profile. Main reason of the Supra is, to be honest, I'm not gonna be out here and lie like, oh, I've been like a big fan of the Supra, I've been a big fan of this and that. I've been a big fan of a lot of cars. I've had a big interest in cars. I saw a video on Car Wow and they just did a review in the Supra and I was like, oh, mate, this car looks insane. Honestly, like, if I can go back time, my first impression of the Supra, I was like, whoa. I was genuinely like, whoa. Cause in my head, I'm like, oh, like first car, I should get like a Golf R or an RS3, you know, like the old RS3. But then like I saw that video in Car Wow when the 2020 Supra was released and announced and I was like, whoa, this actually looks like a sick car. Do you know what I'm saying? And it's a Supra. You know, like, come on guys, Supra. Like, yes, I can get like a BMW M3 if I had the money to as a first car because it's an M car. But then again, it doesn't feel the same as like saying, oh, I drive a Supra. Do you know what I mean? Because the Supra just goes way back, you know? I feel like I'm Paul Walker sometimes, even though I'm not, even though this is a BMW end of the day. But yeah, obviously looks was one of them. Also, I think the reliability of the car. I did a lot of research, by the way, because I know I'm going to be putting a lot of kilometers in this car. I'm going to be putting a lot of miles. It's definitely my first car and I'm going to be driving it a lot. So I had to consider that part as well, the maintenance. I know the maintenance was going to be definitely expensive. And I wasn't thinking of tuning at all. I was generally just there for the looks because it looks sick. It was a two-door coupe. You know, I can finally sing those rap songs that I'll pull up in the two-door coupe. Hopefully I don't get copyrighted. But yeah, damn, yo, who that? What car that? What car that? No, stop playing. But yeah, bang for the buck. I have 100k kilometers now in the Supra, and the Supra's running stage 2 plus. Right, I've done a lot to the car. Personally, as a first car, I've really done a lot, and I'm truly grateful for that. But at the same time, yeah, like the car, if you treat the car well, the car will treat you even better. So I think that's a saying that goes, especially for these German engines. They like to be treated nice. They like to be pampered, you know, buy her a Birkin every now and then. But I do have plans for this channel. This is just a first, like, this is just like the first ever video you guys will ever see me on. And I just want to keep it chill. But yeah, what car is that? RS? Oh, it's an e-tron. If you guys saw that in the cam. Hope you guys caught that. Like I said, that's literally 2 hours of me just cruising around. Well, a bit more than 2 hours, maybe 2 hours and 30. Hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog, first of many. I'm gonna be posting more of these very, very soon. So I'm gonna be consistent with it. I'll try to put out as many videos as I can. long tail type of videos. I kind of enjoy doing it as well. So yeah, the more confident I'll be in like having like a big camera, not even big, I've got an Osmo, but having a camera around and just like doing this and that. But yeah, anyway, I hope you guys enjoy. The next video hopefully will be me showing off my Supra. Not showing off, but showing you guys what my Supra is and introducing you to the Supra itself. But yeah, like I said, I'll see you guys in the next video and hope you guys enjoyed. Dinero is... Bye-bye.